Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Luigi from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Luigi from the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, let's begin with the nose. I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make an oval shape for the nose. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down and in for the eye. And then the same thing over here. I'm going to go up, down, and in for the eye. I'm going to make a little curved line on each side for the eye, or for the pupil, and then I'll color in each part, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up on each side for the top of the mustache. And then I'm going to make a couple little points and bring this in towards the nose, and I'll do the same thing on this side. Make a couple little points and then bring it in towards the nose. Starting here, I'll draw a line that's going to go down and up. And I'll make a little line across for the teeth, and then a little line up here for the tongue, and then I'll color in the rest of it. Then I'll make a little line underneath here. Right here, I'm going to make two little sad face shapes for the eyebrows, and I'm going to make another one right above it. I'll make two lines on each side for the sides of the head. Then I'll make a line that comes across. I'll make a line that's going to come up here for the hair. And then I'll make a little curved oval shape on each side for the ears. And I'll put a little curved shape inside of here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a couple little bumps here for the hair in the back. Right here, I'm going to curve this line across here for the top of the hat. And then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to a rounded point. We're going to come down and in for the hat. I'll put a circle up here, and then I'll put a little L shape in here for Luigi. Next, I'm going to make a little V shape right here, and then I'll put a little line on each side. I'll make a line that comes down on each side, and then I'm going to curve this up on each side. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for the suspenders, and we'll do the same thing here, down and up. And then I'll make a little line that comes across here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around. We're going to come up here. And then I'm going to draw two lines that come down here and a line that comes down here. I'm going to draw two lines across and then two more for his pants. Make a line that's going to come out and down, and we're going to come out and down. I'm going to curve this over and up, and same thing, I'm going to curve this over and up. And then I'll make a line across the bottom for the bottom of the shoes. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then in. And then same thing here, I'm going to come out and then in. Bring this line up on each side. And then we'll bring this line in. I'll bring this line in and then this line in. I'll curve this line down. We'll make a little line here on each side. with a little curve line here. A little line here, and then a little line here. And we'll make a little line down. I'll draw a little circle on each side for the buttons. Then we'll make a line across, and we're just going to go down, over, and up for a pocket and a little line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of Luigi from the new Super Mario Brothers movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.